Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable autocorrect in Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable autocorrect in Gmail, go to your Gmail account and click on gear icon on upper right corner. It's also called settings. Now click on See All Settings. In Settings, click on General tab. Scroll down. Here you will find autocorrect. And now autocorrect is turned off. Now autocorrect off is selected. To enable autocorrect, just click on autocorrect on button here. Now autocorrect on is selected and look here, a notification. Your preferences has been saved. That means autocorrect is enabled in my Gmail account right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.